Okay, welcome to our super cute cartoon character lessons. In this lesson, we're going to have a go at doing a really cute love heart. And these can be good for cards, for pictures that you want to give to people, or if you just want to have fun doing a love heart. So, we need to obviously start with our love heart, which is going to be like this. We're going to start in the middle there. We're going to do a big curved line down and bring it around, like that. And then a big curved line down and bring it around. So I'll just draw that again for you, a bit bigger. Bring it around. I'm sort of stopping it just below. See how there, I'm sort of stopping it below that one. And then I'm starting here and I'm trying to just make it even. It doesn't have to be perfect. Like that. Curved line around. And then we'll bring it down to that point. Now if you cross over like that, that's okay, because you can just rub it out and make a little point of it if you want to. And I'll do that once more for you. Like that. Okay, so once we've got our love heart drawn, and just pause the video if you need to work on it a bit more before you do the face, we're going to add our eyes in. Now I can add my eyes in down here, or I could add them in up here, in a little smile, but I think I'm going to sort of put them around the middle. So I'm going to do, you could do really big eyes if you wanted to, but I don't think that'll look as cute. So I'm going to do, on either side of, I'm imagining a bit of a line down the middle here, but it doesn't really matter, just use your imagination. I'm going to do one circle, another circle, then we're going to add in a nice big circle for a highlight, like a shiny bit, and then a smaller one underneath. Now you can come along later and colour these in if you wanted to with a colour, or we can actually colour them in black. Immediately they're looking very cute. Okay, so let's add in our eyebrows, so we can add in some lines for our eyebrows. Again, you can also add in shapes. If you wanted to add in some crescent shapes and then colour them in. Of course, if you're doing cute characters, you're probably not going to give them massive eyebrows like that. Maybe small ones like this would look quite cute. But I think I'll just do the lines for mine, but you're welcome to do whatever you like for yours. And then we need to add our mouth in. Now, for a cute mouth, we're not going to do a mouth like this. This is just going to make our character look a bit crazy. So you can do that if you want to make a crazy love heart. Maybe he's crazy or she's crazy in love. You could do a little mouth like this with little cheeks, which will look really nice. Even a little line under there like that. That'll look very cute. The other way we could do it is what we see often in Pokemon or manga comics. Is where they do a line across and then a little line curving down like that. And then a little line across like that. Will work really nicely. Okay, now if you're doing a girl love heart, you could add some eyelashes where we do big to small curves. That could work really nicely. And there's our love heart. I hope you enjoyed that lesson. Please feel free to subscribe to our channel to get notified when we put up new lessons each week. Underneath the video, there's also some information for you on our Easy Cartoon Drawing School. We've got lots of these videos as mini courses that you can sign in for free and do them there and post your pictures or questions to me. I also have a Facebook group that you're welcome to join, or your mum and dad can join to post your pictures in from these videos to get direct feedback, and we'll be doing stuff in that Facebook group where I'll be putting other lessons up. And also underneath there's a link to direct lessons if you want a one-on-one lesson. Otherwise, have fun. Check out all the other videos. We're putting more up each week. And don't forget, happy cartooning.